When it comes to building confidence, do you remember what it felt like when you were in elementary school and maybe you had like all sorts of insecurities about what the other kids think about you, and there's drama and embarrassing situations and heartbreak, and it all seems so serious, and your entire life pretty much revolves around the social world of all the other kids at school. But now, as an adult, if you were to go into an elementary school and walk through the hallways, it wouldn't matter whether the kids like you or hate you. Their opinions about you would just bounce off of you and have pretty much no effect on you at all. Well, what if you could do the same thing in relation to the entire society, so that you could walk into any environment and people's opinions just bounce off of you, where on an unconscious level, you feel that you are sort of above everyone else, like they are in your world? Well, there is actually a way to do this, and it's the key to building confidence in all areas of life. Basically, when you have this kind of feeling, then you're not constricted by the fear of being judged or rejected, so that you're more free to express yourself and just be yourself. So in the same way that as a kid, you feel that you are within the overall social world of all the kids at school, but as an adult, you feel that the kids are within your greater overall world or your frame of reality, the same kind of psychological shift can happen in relation to any social world, where maybe you feel uncomfortable or inferior or somehow just restricted and suppressed. This feeling can flip so that you feel that the social world is within your greater overall frame of reality. And it's not just as simple as like trying to trick your mind into seeing things differently and just automatically becoming more confident, like a lot of the advice that you might hear from other people, like to just stop caring what other people think or just change the way that you look at the situation, as if just changing your mindset will be able to influence the way that your physiology and your unconscious mind reacts to different kinds of social pressure. It's like if someone told you to just believe that you can run a 4-minute mile and then you'll automatically be able to do it without even training. Like, it just doesn't work that way. So it's not as simple as just changing the way that you think, but there is a process of intentionally building up the inner strength over time so that the judgment and opinions of other people no longer really affect you, or at least not nearly as much. And this gives you a sort of self-confidence that comes from within, that you embody, and it changes the way that you naturally feel in relation to other people and to society, so that you can walk through life with the same sort of feeling as walking through the halls of an elementary school. And this affects everything from your confidence in all different kinds of situations, and your confidence with women and dating, and even much deeper layers of psychology and emotion that go to the very depths of how you feel as a human being, and like the way that you fit into society and the entire social world around you. And I'm not going to go into all the details right now, but if you're interested, I can teach you exactly how to do this. If you just click on the link that's either below or in the description, where you'll get access to a complete system of training. So if you're interested, then just click on the link and I'll see you inside.